Okay, it's fall season and it's the backyard, so that means Pro Vista, and that is the variety or the species of St. Augustine that is best suited for the shadier side yards and backyards. Pro Vista is a product of the Scott's Lawn Company. They are the ones who own the patent for that variety of St. Augustine, and a lot of people have problems growing lawns in their backyard and the side yard in our area, and the reason why is because they are installing the wrong variety of St. Augustine grass. So what you see here now is the original mix number 3 has been installed. This is the high quality soil that creates a foundation for the sod. It helps with drainage, it helps with nutrition, and it's going to create an excellent foundation for the new backyard. This is very important. Those other guys would skip this step and just throw the sod on top of the sandy soil that was there before. That's how it looked before. This perimeter area, I'm just going to put in mulch. And that's another contributing factor as to why people have problems with their backyard lawns. You can see it's about midday right now. It's right around 1:30 or so, and this area is covered in shade. That is the sign that the regular St. Augustine will definitely struggle to thrive back here. That's the sign that you need to go with Pro Vista. Stay tuned. Okay, and here is the after backyard sod. Not a full ReSod, about maybe about three quarter ReSod. So just wanted to cover up all of the dirt that was here, and everything is done. This is a shaded area. As you see all these mature trees here, very common in backyards, and because of that, the only type of sod that will do well is the Scott's Pro Vista. And so that's what we have back here. Went ahead and covered the area that would not grow, which is right up against the fence and under the boards. Just covered that with chocolate mulch, because you're really not going to get grass to grow in areas where there's absolutely no light, which is the case when you're right up in that corner in the shade of the fence. In that corner, there's basically no light that gets in there, so there's no sense to put anything in there. And they're very happy with the results. I'm very happy with the results, and I will be pleased to know what you think about the latest project here in beautiful Neptune Beach. Florida Pro LawnCare.com, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Florida Pro Lawn Care. Till next time, peace. Okay, this is an after. This has been about a year and a half after I rebuilt this entire lawn. This is Scott's Pro Vista. A lot of times I get questions about how things will look after time, so that's the purpose of this video. In this project, not only was the entire lawn resodded, but also pavers installed in the front and backyard. So I want to show you really quickly how everything looks with the Scott's Pro Vista after some time goes by. Excuse me. Okay, so we're at the beginning of November here, so the summer season is over and the grass is in really good shape right now. And here are the pavers that were installed, and you can see they're doing really well. Also, I went with tried to kind of coordinate with the color of the brick, and so everything is really doing well. There's a lot of contour coming from the neighbor, so you can kind of see how things are holding up. Very sturdy. So let's take a look at the walkway that was added in the back. All of this grass is new as well. This tree was just a baby. This is an avocado. When you look at the before video, you'll see that this tree was really small. You can see how well it's done. And I'm very sure that that is due to the high quality soil, the original mix number 3 that was installed all in this area, which is going to add a lot of nutrient for this fruit tree. Same thing for this citrus here. I think this is looks like a Meyer lemon tree. And so they are doing excellent. Paver walkway is sturdy and doing well. Nothing is wobbling, or everything is just as it was when I installed it. So I'm really happy with that. And the backyard here, this is the main backyard. Scott's Pro Vista thrives in the shadier areas. A lot of people struggle with their lawns in the backyard, and it's because they install what's called the regular Floritan St. Augustine, which is the standard, most popular St. Augustine grass. It's called Floritan. That particular grass does not do well in areas that get a lot of shade. So you can see the Pro Vista is doing excellent. She did have me come back and extend and add some more Pro Vista here for the backyard. They're very happy with the results. Now they have a backyard that's totally dry and without mud and dirt. So they're very happy about that, and I am also very happy. Paver walkway is doing excellent. They are considering having it sealed, which you can see how well it's holding up and locking in the color. The sealer is going to be good because it's going to really prevent fading, which these guys are doing really well after about 1.5 years. So I wanted to give you a quick recap. I know people are curious about how their projects are going to look after some time passes, and I wanted to make sure I documented this. This was one of my favorite projects that was completed about 1.5 years ago, I think. And so make sure you check the previous video. I'm not sure how I will edit this, but I thank you for taking a look. I would love to hear your feedback. Make sure you follow at Florida Pro Lawn Care on Instagram. You deserve the best. Call the pro. FloridaProLawnCare.com.